be very careful with the edges of cement and asphalt. You get near the edge of cement or asphalt and you start crumbling the edge, and it makes you feel terrible inside, and it might affect you financially. We're close to a sewer line on this side. There's always just enough space. I'm gonna pick two tops at the same time just for fun. All right, Max, let's put some tension on it. All right, there. Let me cut the first one real quick.
Maxwell here. I'm on the crane today. We got August in the tree. We're doing a co-dominant feeder. And it's pretty neat because we're picking both tops at the same time right now. So stay tuned.
Okay. All right, cable up and out. Gotta do a little shot for Instagram. So the reason I went for both tops simultaneously, it'll just make bringing the slings back effortless. Doing it this way, you have to cut them in order of which one came tight first. So it's kind of different than one pick at a time. Shout out to Debbie Dalton. So I put this video up the other day and we were having a lot of trouble with the helmet communication, and it's just a testament to quality people out there that you don't even know about that are watching your stuff. Anyway, she calls the Monkey Beaver office and says, I want to buy him some new helmet communication, and donates $500. And it definitely put a warm fuzzy feeling on. I mean, I've told the story a few times around the house and among friends here, and here we are among friends again. But thank you again, people like you. I mean, motivated by kindness and just wanting to help somebody. I thank you. Blue buttons up. Alright, cable up. good. It's good. Alright, I'm just gonna give you one here, and then I'm gonna cut the other one. It depends. Too much is... What's better is if it's perfect. Well, the thing is, you can, if it's not enough, you can adjust it as it's coming off. If it's too much, it just hops off, and it's not really cool. But if it hops off a lot, that's horrible. Good. Don't bump my camera. So when all the limbs are out on one side like that, they have to tip. We could spider leg ropes out, attaching to the limbs and stuff, but not much point in that. You know where it's going to tip, and then you make sure you're not there. So believe it or not, that was a little less tip than I would have got if I hadn't put that one sling out the limb a little bit. Yeah, I'm trying to do little things here to take some of the tip out of it, but it's still gonna tip. There's just phenomenal amounts of weight out there. So one of the things we do is we hook the sling on the inside of the log. That way the outside, everything from here over, is kind of trying to ballast. And then if you can get anything on some limbs out there, but yeah, it's still gonna tip. It becomes a thing where you're trying to gauge not over pulling the limb and breaking the limb off, and then if you do, you want to make sure that you got something else on it that is not going to break. That's high enough. You can just go left. So after all that weight, let's check our asphalt. Ta-da!
Ta-da.
Perfection. Show you the after pick. Gone.